But
How many pixels can fit on one of your 1080 by 1920 by 1080 canvases?
We're actually going to also say like the minimum space you can buy, it's gonna be 10 by 10, because if you only buy 1 pixel, it's too small, so you can actually put an image over there or an emoji.
Gotcha.
But if you have a 10 by 10 space, it's gonna be actually good enough so you can see something.
okay.
But you know, there's also Hugo, a relationship between the actual image that you're gonna see and the amount of NFTs. So the canvas itself is gonna be a 190 by 1080, which makes it 2,073,600 NFTs, like pixels, that you're gonna be able to buy. Each of those have a 10 by 10 actual visual representation, if that makes sense. So like, technically the space is 2,073,600 pixels.
Yeah, that's like Carter here is saying, I like the fact that you're creating your own demand by limiting supply. The simple concept plays on the natural human psychology. Because that's because you've seen it. Like you said, you started it with the internet and that $1 million page. So yeah, I mean, it just.
I think that is core, and one of the things in general are the market dynamics. So I think someone asked how much pixels are going to cost. And well, while they're going to be essentially bundled in 10 by 10s minimum, you can buy more actually, but it's also a matter of what's the best real estate, right?
Right.
So not all pixels will cost the same. The closer you get to the middle, obviously it has a certain curve. So you start having other pricing dynamics where you obviously have, even if it's limited, you even have more limited or more premium sections of the website, which will cost more. And from there, because all the tokens themselves are also NFTs, you still have the other market dynamic where you'll start seeing people buying, and if things go on, they can resell, but maybe the real estate starts going up, and maybe different sections start going up more because someone posted another NFT besides it, and it's pretty much a free market. But it's based by what you were saying, human behavior, but also like what people consider more important, premium, and all the things that actually drive people to just like try and do contests between each other and see who has the best NFT or purchasing power just because.
Excellent.
Well, that's what's funny is everybody hears all this hype about NFTs and it's all these things now, but you guys are really dialing in to something. I mean, that really there's definitely value there. And not saying the other stuff is, but you see some of these things that are a $60 million picture or a little short video. I'm just saying that this is really what kind of this NFT is kind of all about. That's kind of the real deal, I guess you would say. Not like, again, not saying the other's not, but it's just more not the hype. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you got to find more utility into the innovation.
Right.
Like we got this technology now that really allows you to own something unique.
Yeah.
So what are you going to do with that?
Right.
So, yeah.
Yep.
No, back to the big map one. Are you going to be selling off the Statue of Liberty and the Eiffel Tower, that kind of stuff?
Yeah.
Or are those blocked out? Are they reserved?
Or is it definitely? He said definitely.
Definitely. We're gonna sell those probably even higher than the other ones.
That's right. That's right. Go ahead.
What does that start out at?
Right.
Compared to
that thing is like a very early stage of development, right? So we can play with it. What if some parts of the earth are just canceled now, and there needs to be like a consensus of conquest, like dreaming about it. What if we create some sort of contract that works as a DAO, and then the DAO takes decisions of where should we expand as owners of this portion of meters/NFTs. And so, okay, is it time now to put the Statue of Liberty for sale? Let's vote on the DAO.
Yeah.
You can dream. You can dream about it. I don't know. It's a very good question. Like, because it starts to play with your psychology, right? Mm-hmm. Are you gonna sell the White House?
Well, I was thinking if I bought the Empire State Building, and then it went up, I could actually buy the Empire State Building. And that was when you guys said that idea, I was like, well, I want to go buy the Empire State Building.
Yeah.
And keep going.
Go up.
You can make enough money to buy the NFT version again, and you can just keep stacking it.
Yeah, there you go.
That's it. So I can get that for $10 today.
$10.
That'd be
Just
cool.
the maintenance is all you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I would like to buy SpaceX.
Yeah.
There you
And then
go.
when it goes out, I own it, and then I can go to Mars.
Yeah, that's right. I'll take Area 51, man. I know they got some cool technology out there.
Yeah.
I can claim it.
Yeah. I mean, but there's immediate problems to solve, like gas fees.
Yeah.
Your gas fee is going to be more expensive than your Empire State right now. So
Right. There you go. Yep.